Hey guys, I'm Amitanshu and behind the camera is Geet.
Hi all.
This is regarding our mobile computing final project. We have implemented an application called classMate which can be used by a professor and a student. So a professor could send and like post an assignment, a project, and also can send an announcement. And at the same time, a student can like check his project, check the announcement, and check the assignments. Students has also two more functionalities we have given for them. It's like a student can get reminder of any project or assignment which is coming up, like which is approaching, like the release date or the due date is approaching basically. So we have kept it like for 2 days and 7 days right now. So if your assignment is due tomorrow, it will tell you, or if your assignment is due uh, in a week, it will tell you that. These are the two reminder functionalities. Now coming to the other one, student can also chat. It's kind of a messaging service which we have given for students. So students could chat with a particular student, or he could also send, I mean, he could create a group, like probably a project group or something, and you could chat among that group. So there are like individual chat functionality and a group chat functionality. Now I'll go ahead and show you the application so that like we can, and I'll also keep explaining about what we have done and how we have done it. So here are two logins. This is for a student. Courses, you can see mobile computing and advanced OS. This is Geet's account, and here is Professor Dr. Banerjee's account. So wherein I will first go to Geet's account, and we can see that when you select on mobile computing, you have four options: project, assignment, announcement, and chat. When you click on project, you can see there is one project available, project one, and there is a release date mentioned that it was released today. Due date is 21st, and it says refer to the attached document. So our student can also download a particular file. We have implemented a progress of the download functionality since the internet is pretty fast. It just got downloaded immediately, and student can read the PDF version of the assignment or project. And students also like get notified whenever the project approaches. So, and similarly, there is no assignment posted by the professor. And for regarding announcements, there have two announcements being made. Announcements could be used in scenarios such as, like whenever a professor wants, is stuck in traffic and he realizes that he's going to be 10 minutes late for the class. So he can probably send an announcement something like this: late for class, 10 minutes, stuck in traffic description. So in similarly announcement 2. So, and there's a chat functionality for student. So currently there are no chats available, and there's a create group button over there, which Geet will talk about in some time. So this is professor's account, wherein he has mobile computing and home automation. He can I will show you how to add a project probably. So you click on add a project and you say project 1, project 2, project 1 I already added, I guess. So 05
I think you should give the date of 22nd because today is already 20th. It's 12
all right,
o'clock.
so 22nd.
We get the notification for 2 days, so we can test that as well.
Nothing attached is file or document or whatever professor can just say. So regarding we have also given a functionality to browse documents and upload the document on the fly, and students can, as I showed you, that students can download the file and check it. So we could also extend this functionality to a level that a professor could select an document from his Google Drive or probably Dropbox account. You can see Dropbox right now, but we have not implemented that functionality. It says file uploaded, and projects should be added in here. Like when I go to mobile computing project, I'll see that project 2 is due tomorrow, and project 2 is being displayed here. nothing attached is file. You download the file, open the file. Similarly, as I showed you, do not allow. Let's go back and check the notification. When you click on the notification, it takes you to that project page. And similarly, a professor can add announcements, and whenever right now what we have done is you can see that notification is coming in whenever we come back to the detail page of a project or anything. We have kept it like that for testing purpose, so that we wanted to make sure that whenever a TA or any person is testing it, he can check that the notifications are coming in. But we have implemented this in a started service, so like we spawn a service and check for the date of the current date and the due date of the assignment, and like send a reminder notification to the user. And we have also implemented a so I guess this is about the I would also show you the login screen of the project professor and student, wherein a user can enter his username, password, and select are you a professor, and then just can log in. So I will log in as a student, and then Geet would be explaining you about the chat functionality what we have developed. So I don't have to select since I'm not a professor, and from here Geet will take it forward.
Hello all. So I'll walk you through the chat functionality now. As you can see, this particular mobile has my login and other one has Amitanshu's login. So let's see how a student can use the chat functionality. I'll move to the advanced OS course. There I'll go to the chat option. So here I can see an existing chat. This card is actually a group that was created amongst 3 students. You can see the names of all the IDs of all the 3 students here at the top, and you can also see whatever they chatted. So if I want to send a message in this group, I'll just add a message saying hi, and let's send and let's see what happens. So in Amitanshu's phone, we can see a notification. He clicked on it and he immediately he went to the screen of the chat. You can see that I sent a message, and on my phone we can see that here is uh, my message here. So this is how we have implemented, and this is how it looks. We can see so whichever message I as a user send are on the right side, and whichever messages I get are on the left side. And just now Amitanshu also sent a message, what's up, and this is how we chatted. So this was an example of a group chat. We'll now go back and see how we can actually do some individual chatting. So first and foremost, I'll also explain you the screen of this chat thing. There are 2 tabs. One is a chats tab. Other one is members. I think it's coming a little hazy. Let me try. If I'll hold it still, it will come now. Right. So the left one is a chats tab. Other one is a members tab. Let's go to the members tab. So the members. As you might remember that I was in advanced OS course. So I can see all the existing members or students in that particular course. So as a student, I can chat or try to chat with any existing available student in this particular course. I can select Amitanshu again, and this is an example of individual chat. I'll just write hi there. Yeah, Geet here. I'll send him. So this there was a mistake.
It's get over there. Uh, yep.
So this is how it came on Amitanshu's phone. He can see, so the chats tab which was there, yeah, so the chats tab, this one shows the existing chats which have been already done. So there was a core group which was already there, and now there is a communication with Geet. So all the existing communications come under the chats tab. All the members are there under the members tab. So under Geet, this is the message that Geet sent. So sometimes you can reply, and on my cell, this is I got the hey message sent by Amitanshu. So this was I guess all about the chat functionality. Yes, there was also one more thing. Students can create a group as well. You can see a create group button over here. So let me just go ahead and make a group in mobile class. We were all discussing about OS class now. So let's just go back and do something for the mobile as well. So it's a mobile class, and I'll go to the chat. Yeah, and I'll create a group. So let's say I'll name it as project, and so I'm doing it with Amitanshu, and right now there is just one student for mobile course, so I don't have any other option as well. So I'll just select Amitanshu as one of the members of my group, and I'll click on create group. So the group has been created. We can see a message. We saw a toast message at the bottom, and this is how the group looks. So currently under this mobile computing course, there is just one group which comes under the chats tab. I can quickly add a message that the project is done, and I'll send him. So let's see. So the Amitanshu's phone actually ran out of memory battery, so he quickly he's now logging in as Amitanshu.
I mean, you can always see the notification that project is done.
Yeah.
So I can just reply, great. Hope we get A.
Right. So. Oh. Sorry. classMate project. Yeah. Right. So we have also integrated our project with the Android watch. Yeah. So I think about for the chat thing, we had these three functionalities where we could chat with individual members, we could create groups, we had those two tabs. We used to get the notifications as well. I think I can hand over now to Amitanshu. He can explain a little about the integration that we have done with the Android watch.
Hey guys, so here is, Geet just sent a message saying, so watch. Okay, let's see watch. So we can just open, we can see that we have received a notification. So, you also receive a notification in your watch. So you can just check mobile computing, hey, show watch. I clicked on this. No, I can say that you can open this in phone, and when you say open phone, you just directly opens up the chat screen. So I should reply back works perfectly. Alright, so similarly, whenever you receive a notification for a reminder, and whenever you receive a notification for like probably whenever your assignment is due, a project is coming up, project is available, announcement is available similarly. So you can use your watch to view it, and you can also say open in phone, so it opens up in the phone. So I guess this is it about the functionality.
Right. I would also like to add that this current project has a lot of scope of, as in, we can make this as a complete app for student to use in the classroom, and you can have some other functionalities as well, right? Like allowing them to add notes, allowing them to have some recording functionality in our. I guess we can do that. We would like it. We would like to give this app to all the UMBC students to see how it helps them. But yes, for now, these are the functionalities added in this one.
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye.
Hope you guys liked it.